I'm going to show you some very easy, simple Qigong exercises. You can do these in the morning when you get up, and it'll give you a helping hand for the day. So, first of all, we use the center of the palm to rub the face, but the center of the palm goes around the eyes. So like this. Press your fingers onto your scalp, or your skull. So, fairly firmly, don't tickle. Then, the palms on the back of the neck, 16 times. Next, we use the center of the palms, cross over down the back of the head to the neck, 16 times. Then on the throat, 16 times. Next, we put the palms over the ears and drum on the back of the neck, just below the skull, 32 times. Then here, between the rib, the lowest rib, and the hip joint on the spine, the center of each palm. Down the buttocks, back to the center on the coccyx, and up again. Remember to breathe through your nose and put the tongue against the roof of the mouth. And you can do this as many times as you like. It helps to relieve stress in the lower back. Okay. Next, the fist in the palm. Other side. Good for the heart. Then here on the back of the hands. If you have painful fingers, possibly arthritis related, this is very good for relieving the pain. Then here, also good for back and neck problems. Then we take this knuckle on the thumb and put it in the V of the fingers here, like this. Then change.